MoYu were kind enough to send us out some of their new big cubes. This is a 10 by 10. And with them we decided to do some cubing camouflage. Have a look at this. This was hard. If you guys enjoyed the video, then make sure to like and comment which shot was your favorite. If you have a big cube or even just a normal cube and are brave enough to try it out, then give it a go and let me know how you went in the comments. See ya!